Okay, look, man, I just got scared shitless by this big ass fucking plane. Oh, damn. Hopefully they'll do it one more time and we'll be able to catch this one. Cause he coming around the bend right now. When I tell you, we all were like so freaking scared. This is where I was sitting, right there, and it just swooped in. Oh my God, I'm so scared. Okay, he's gonna come somewhere around this area. God, I got 2 minutes of film on this one. Okay, shit. Look, there he goes. Look. Oh my God, and watch him come in. He coming in above these trees. Look at this, and listen to it. Listen to how crazy that sounds. Oh, well, no, that's not as loud as that one because he didn't have his jet engines on. That one had them fucking jet engines on. Oh, man, that was wild. Have you ever been so scared that you were scared from the tip of your toes up to your soul? Frightening. Real frightening. Look at all the people. Look at all the people. Everybody. Look, I hear another one coming. It's coming. Look, it's coming. The coolest shit. I gotta delete some of this other bullshit. And I'm out.